Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by signing in and verifying your account. This secures editing and publishing. Once done, pick a template that matches your goal, portfolio, blog, or e-commerce, because structure dictates content flow. Make sure to upload logo, hero image at 1200 by 628, and enter primary brand colors as hex values so components inherit styles. You're setting foundation-level choices now. These reduce redesign work later, and keep your site consistent across pages as you proceed to build. Now you'll structure pages using the grid. Add a header, hero section, 2-column content area, and footer so navigation and CTAs are clear. Next, connect the CMS and create content types, pages, posts, products, and add 5 sample entries to test templates. This saves fixes after launch. Then apply responsive rules. Define mobile breakpoints, set 1/2 column to stack, and enable fluid font scaling so text remains readable. These steps make content dynamic and reliable across devices. You'll preview the full site across desktop, tablet, and mobile, running accessibility and basic SEO checks so discoverability and usability are solid. Once satisfied, connect your custom domain, verify SSL and DNS propagation, and publish. If something breaks, clear your browser and CDN cache, inspect the browser console for errors, and use design. Comms version history to roll back specific pages. Make sure to retest forms and payments after fixes. Doing so prevents user-facing failures and confirms the site is production ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.